T minus 30. T minus 20. T minus 15. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Falcon 9 is clear the tower. T plus 1 minute, altitude 6 kilometers, speed 270 meters per second, downrange distance 2 kilometers. Vehicle supersonic. And vehicles reach maximum aerodynamic pressure. Stage 1 propulsion continues to be nominal.
Power system still nominal. Good telemetry lock.
T plus 2 minutes, altitude 28.9 kilometers, speed 1.1 kilometers per second, downrange distance 32 kilometers. MVAC has begun chill-in. T plus 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Vehicles flying down the center. Altitude 48 kilometers. Speed 1.9 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 75 kilometers. And we have MECO 1. And we have MVAC ignition. GC, verify or vent the RP1 storage tank.
Bearing separation.
Stage 2 propulsion continues.
Bermuda acquisition of signal.
T plus 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Altitude 137 kilometers. Speed 3.2 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 400 kilometers.
Power system still nominal.
T plus 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Altitude 158 kilometers. Speed 3.8 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 570 kilometers. Vehicle continues to fly down to nominal.
Stage 2 propulsion continues to be nominal.
T plus 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Altitude 173 kilometers. Speed 4.4 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 800 kilometers.
Power system still nominal. Good telemetry lock.
First stage engine relit. T plus 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Altitude 180 kilometers. Speed 5.6 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 1,150 kilometers. Vehicles enter terminal guidance mode.
FTS is saved.
There's MECO. Orbital parameters are 200 by 176 kilometers, inclined 27.7 degrees to the equator. Good orbit insertion. We have TEL 4 lost signal.
And it looks like we have another successful launch of the Falcon 9 rocket carrying the AsiaSat 8 satellite. As you heard, the first stage had a great flight. Second stage separated. You saw engine ignition, payload fairing separation, and then just moments ago we had shutdown of the second stage engine. The orbit looks very good for insertion into parking orbit. A little bit later in the flight, we will have a restart of the upper stage engine that will carry the AsiaSat 8 satellite to the final injection orbit from the Falcon 9. However, that is going to bring an end to the webcast for this evening, this early morning. Here at SpaceX, we'd like to thank our AsiaSat customer for their confidence in selecting us, and we look forward to letting everybody know how things go a little bit later this morning. Also like to thank the Air Force for the Eastern Range and ground station support around the world. Also the Federal Aviation Administration for working with us as we got the Falcon 9, both air and ground systems ready to go and fly. And then finally, thank you for sticking with us through 2.5 hours of delay, but it appears to have been worth it as the launch looked outstanding coming off of the pad at Complex 40 at the Cape. So remember